Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to make a block in Solidworks drawing. For example, I want to make block revision symbol. Active polygon, make polygon parameter is 3. Click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make triangle height is 15 mm. Delete this dimension, delete the circle, active mode, make number 1, make text size is 36, maybe text size is 48. Make position text in middle. And after that, block this revision symbol. Right click, click make block. OK. See? Right click this block, click save block. File name is R1. Click save. Go to block, click insert block. Go to browser, insert R1. See, now you have revision symbol block. Click this block. My scroll parameter is 1. See? And this parameter to rotate the block. See? Take symbol revision in this area. That is a quick tips. See ya.